Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will start by confirming prerequisites and performing the first actions. Install Terraform and Azure CLI, then run as login so you can provision resources. Next, choose a subscription and create or pick a resource group to hold the storage account. Create a Terraform working directory and add a main TF file. Once done, initialize Terraform with Terraform in it. Make sure you set a backend now if you plan to share state. Otherwise, use the local backend for initial tests. Now you define the resource configuration and explain why each choice matters. In main, TF add the Azure provider and required versions so Terraform uses the correct API. Then declare the Azure resource group and an Azure Storage Account resource. Choose Storage v2 for modern features and set replication to match durability needs. Configure access tier and any network rules for security. After coding, run Terraform FMT to standardize formatting, then Terraform validate to catch syntax or schema issues before planning. You finish by executing and validating the deployment. Run Terraform plan to preview what will change and verify you have required permissions. This prevents surprises. When satisfied, run Terraform apply and confirm or use auto-approve in CI. Once applied, query the account keys or blob endpoints via as storage or Terraform outputs to verify. If something breaks, first re-authenticate with as login, confirm provider version compatibility, and check for Azure policy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.